Quran. Verse 98 Chapter 2 Al-Baqarah. English translation by Shabbir Ahmed, MD, Florida.
Whoever bears a grudge against God, His angels, His messengers, and Gabriel and Michael, must know that God opposes the deniers of truth. 2, 87, 16, 2, 16, 102, 26, 193, 42, 52. The divine law intervenes between obstinate rejection and true success. Adu and its derivatives, equals enemy, equals wedge, equals opponent, equals causing remoteness, equals divider, equals bearer of grudge. It must be noted that the Quranic terminology carries various shades of meanings, according to the context, and whether the terms are referring to humans or to the Creator.